Hey guys, so welcome to the designsketchbook.com, and today let's draw these sneakers inspired from Sandals from Nike. So the first thing that you have to do is always start with the shoe last. Basically the shoe last is the general form of a foot, and then after that you can go into the details. So now I'm going into drawing like the main form of the sneaker itself, like a sandal that is like wrapping all around that shoe last. Here's the articulation symbolized with this circle, and as you can see I'm drawing like super fast right here. I'm using a felt pen which is pretty thick, which is perfect for ideation. So here's a logo of the Nike. As you could see, I really draw from general to details. Like here's the smaller details. I did some lace all around, and what I would like to have is like socks inside. Here we go. So let's carry on. As you could see, it really took very fast to draw that. Why? Because I started with the shoe last, and now here is some detail about the texture of the outsole with a bit of zigzag. And now even more small details. What if there is some clips right here, some straps with some clips? As you can see, I'm not trying to go into very sharp detail. I really draw super fast to have the main ideas. Ta-da! Now let's add some contrast with some hatching for the socks. Here's some zigzag to get it even faster. And when you do that for the black and white area, it gives some more contrast between the sandal itself and the idea of the socks of the shoe. Here we go. Let's add a bit of phosphorescence right here in orange, just a bit of hint, so we can see the overall form. So this is speed 1, and I invite you to try again by rewinding the tutorial itself, or if you want to get the same result as my students, I invite you to start getting my free book, which you have the link in the description below. So you will see the 37 secrets of sneaker designers that I compiled inside. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.